On this song is Sister Jessica Birdsong. She's not available here. And this is Kendall Birdsong. And you can talk to him. He might be available. You have to talk to him. You have to see what he says. But he's not. He's yours. Okay. Sister Norma's claiming him. So. Okay. But they're going to sing a song now that's got some beautiful words. It's called Testify. And it says, "As long as I shall live, I shall testify of His love."
All the colors of the rainbow, and all the voices of the wind, every dream that reaches out, it reaches out to find where love begins. And every word of every story, every song and every sigh, every corner of creation lives testifying. For as long as I shall live, I will testify of love. I'll be a witness in the silence if my words are not enough. With every breath I take, I will give thanks to God above. For as long as I shall live, I will testify of love. From the mountains to the valleys, from the rivers to the sea, every hand that reaches out, every hand that reaches out to offer peace, every simple act of mercy, every day the kingdom comes, and every hope and every heart should speak what God has done. For as long as I shall live, I will testify of love. I'll be a witness in the silence if my words are not enough. With every breath I take, I will give thanks to God above. For as long as I shall live, I will testify of love. For as long as I shall live, I will testify of love. I'll be a witness in the silence if my words are not enough. With every breath I take, I will give thanks to God above. For as long as I shall live, I will testify of love. For as long as I shall live, I will testify of love. I'll be a witness in the silence if my words are not enough. With every breath I take, I will give thanks to God above. For as long as I shall live, I will testify.